this, we clean the screens, we re-clean them, we did everything, soup to nuts, we did everything on this. So now when I go back to my studio, I feel confident using the equipment and doing everything right.
Talking to every other shop owner and seeing what their concerns are and what their worries are, with production in the industry has been really eye-opening, just because I've only been, familiar with what our in-house concerns are, so just hearing their experiences and getting all the feedback from them has just been very helpful. We learned the different perspectives everyone has at their own shop, and it's been really helpful kind of looking into my company and seeing what we do and why we do what we do, and just hearing the conversations has really broadened my knowledge